Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to solve this problem from Facebook Hacker Cup Qualification Round 2021. The problem A1 Consistency. I'll be giving a summary of this problem statement. The Desconi really only likes a consistent string. She considers a string consistent if and only if all its letters are same. And the main observation is if her chosen letter is a vowel, she may replace it with any constant of her choice. Consonant. On the other hand, if her chosen letter is a consonant, then she may replace it with any other vowels. From this, we can come to an intuition that to convert from a consonant to another consonant or same consonant, to convert from consonant to consonant, it will cost 2 seconds, right? Because if you want to convert from vowels to vowels, basically consonant to consonant, you should convert to vowels, and from vowels to consonant. Similarly, for vowels to vowels, it will cost you 2 seconds. And they're asking the minimum number of seconds required to change yes into consistent. That is this whole string with the same letter. And they give us some example. I will be taking banana as an example. Here I have a string banana. The one with the blue is the occurrence of vowels 1, 2, 3. The occurrence of vowel is 3. A is the mapping. This is a character and this is int. I'm mapping. It has 3. For consonant, we have N2 and consonant B1. I'll be picking up the maximum occurrence of a vowel or consonant, and I'll be keeping this as it is and converting everything. Right, let me show you what I did. First of all, I will not bother about either keeping anything or not. What I mean by that is I'll be converting everything into a single digit. If for example, if you want to convert everything into vowels, in this case I'll be taking 2 steps to convert a vowel into vowel. I'm not bothering about which to keep it as it is, right? 2, 2, 2, that is 6, and 1, 2, 3. Converting from consonant to vowel costs only 1, right? So 6. And I'll be checking which has the maximum occurrence of vowels, and that is 8. And how many occurrences? 3. 3 into 2, because it costs 2. We don't want that. We're keeping that as it is. So 9 minus 3 into 2 is 6 is equals 3. This is and one answer. This is answer 1. This is answer 1. This is answer 1. And the next one is I'll be checking the maximum occurrence of a consonant. The maximum occurrence consonant is 2. But now I will not be bothering. First, to convert this into a consonant, basically most probably n, it will cost 2 and 2. To convert another vowel and convert from vowel to a consonant. So 4 plus the left out one. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 8, we'll be getting 8, and I'll be checking which has the maximum occurrence in consonant. In this case 2, right? We'll not be taking this, we'll be taking this. So 2 into 2, 4. And 4. The minimum of these two is 3. Let me show another example. Basically this one. Let me show you F bank, right? Then the vowel occurrence is this one, and the consonant occurrence is everything has one occurrence, right? Then to convert everything into a vowel, you will be having 4 to convert this into a vowel plus 1, 2, 3, 3. The maximum occurrence of a consonant is this one, right? So we'll be reducing this one by multiplying 2. The answer one is 3. And another one with consonant, the maximum occurrence of a consonant excuse me, will not be considering that one, and I'll be taking to convert this into one consonant. Will be taking two moves, 1 2 3, so 6 plus 1 2. We're reducing the maximum occurrence of anything. Basically everything has maximum of 1, so we'll be reducing 8 minus 2, 6. The minimum of these two is 3, so that we can convert this string into consistent with just by using 3 seconds. Let me just show you my code. This is my code. I'm taking in the string and I'll be using a map. I'll be storing the occurrence of a map. And if this is a IOU, that's a bubble, then be checking the maximum occurrence of a bubble, a single character, and I'll be counting all these the occurrence of the bubbles for easier, for convenient. And similarly for consonant, and the answer one is converting everything into bubbles. Converting everything into bubbles. Any specific bubbles. So bubbles should be multiplied by 2, because to convert to bubbles we have to do 2 seconds. We have to use 2 seconds, right? And constant as it is. So the maximum occurrence of a bubbles can be, we don't want to change it because that's what we have to change the entire string to. Similarly for this converting everything into consonants. That's what I'm doing here. To convert a constant, we get 2 steps and occurrence of bubble as it is, and reducing the maximum occurrence of consonant. That's it. The minimum of answer 1 and answer 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Bye.